Hello, dear old friends and family. Today I'm taking you to the mysterious world. I'm at Mata Mandir, Hinglaj. This is one of the most pious or the most sacred places for Hindu religion. This is a mud volcano. We are now in the Hingol National Park, Balochistan. Uh, and these are really some of the most incredible active mud volcanoes in Balochistan region on the coastal highway. So I'm gonna show you through. It's not so easy to get here. It's a little bit difficult to be here, but yeah. Today I'm gonna show you around by this video that how mysterious and how wonderful this geography of the world exists in Balochistan. So this is one of the active mud volcanoes where I'm just in now. I will try to show you some of its most beautiful parts, and you can see the shapes of the mud, how they form around here. It's like a candle holder. As you can see, the formation of the bubbling mud, the mud volcano, it's still active here. Maybe you could hear the sound of the mud, bubbling mud. And here you can see these fragrance things, and here you will see that these are the places of the worship for Hindu communities who come here for their worship, and they make these fragrance candle keeping places. So yeah, this is Hinglaj Mata Mandir. It's one of the most sacred places for Hindu communities around here. It would be great if you could come here and enjoy the geographical wonders of the world. This is Balochistan, the incredible Balochistan, Pakistan. I'm going to take you for a ride around all the mud volcano here. This was just the central portion where it is still bubbling up with the mud. I'm going to rise up and show you a little bit more about this. Fairly a good amount of water is there in the mud volcano now. I lost my sandal down. We needed to walk up fairly high to see this bubbling mud, and I want to show you around this wonderful geography. These incredible shapes are formed when the mud water drain off through the volcano, or during the rainwater. It can make different shapes. As you can see, this is the mud water is spilling out from the bottom of this active mud volcano, and incredible shapes all around here. Such a huge vast land, and onto my south you can see some signs of the Arabian Sea. So that's the Arabian Sea onto the south. So here I'm going to show you one of the most incredible giant mud volcano. So give me a few seconds, I'm going to show you some wonderful scenery around here. As here you can see the bubbling mud now. This is very least explored, incredible geographical features in Balochistan region. We would love to have tourism here. Of course, we're already having a religious tourism for Hindu communities around here. It would be so great that the rest of the people in the world could have enjoyed this beauty. Okay, let me show you the other end of the mud volcano. As you saw the bubbling mud here, now I will show you one of the tallest mud volcanoes which are still active here. Let me show you the greater one. Wow, this is great. As you can see, the shape of the mud, it looks like intestines. Oh, this is great. This is so wonderful. Such a vast land, open area, hardly any populations. You can only find few shepherds around here. Otherwise you will see the beauty of the nature, the wonders of